Data is an important part of your day-to-day existence.
Think about how many times you collect and make use of data every day.
For example, you may have recently compared the cost of flights to find the best value for your vacation. Or you might have asked your friends to let you know what dates they're available to meet for a party so that you can find a day that suits everyone in the group. So how do data analysts make use of information?
Just like when you plan your vacation or party, they identify and gather important data, then study and analyze the data to generate the insights that they need.
Data analysts carry out these tasks using a range of techniques, tools and software like Microsoft Excel and Microsoft Power BI.
These might sound like complicated technologies, but it's possible to approach them from an entry-level stage and develop competency. And there's high demand at an organizational level for individuals who can demonstrate proficiency with these tools.
The career opportunities available for data analysts include a range of roles, from business analyst to data scientist to database administrator.
With the increasing digitization of all aspects of life, the demand for these roles across all business sectors is greater than ever.
With the right knowledge and skills, you could be the next data analyst an organization is looking for. You might be keen to pursue a career in data analytics, but you might also be concerned that you don't have a relevant university degree or prior experience.
Or maybe the cost is just too high. Don't let these concerns hold you back. If you're fascinated by the world of data and willing to join us, then we're offering you a chance to embark on a learning journey that prepares you for an exciting career in data analytics.
This Microsoft Power BI Analyst Professional Certificate consists of a series of courses that act as a solid foundation of fundamental knowledge that imparts the skill set required for an entry-level job in data analytics.
In addition, finishing this program also prepares you for the exam PL300, Microsoft Power BI Data Analyst. Earning a Microsoft certification provides industry-endorsed evidence of your skills and demonstrates your willingness to stay on top of the latest trends and demands and stand out in a fast-changing industry.
You'll begin this program with an overview of how to design and manage spreadsheets using Microsoft Excel. This overview begins with a guide to Excel elements and techniques, along with guidance on how to organize data. You'll then learn how to prepare data for analysis using different functions.
This overview of Excel will help you to understand the importance of sourcing and organizing data. So you'll follow it with an exploration of the different stages and roles in the data analysis process.
You'll begin by learning about essential data analysis concepts and the role of the data analyst. You'll then review the tools required to source, gather, transform, and analyze data effectively.
Sourcing data is important, but so is preparing it for analysis. That's why you'll also learn how to bring data into Power BI and clean and transform it for analysis. You'll begin by learning about different data sources in Power BI. You'll then learn techniques for importing the data. Lastly, you'll discover how to clean and transform data.
Once you've imported your data, you then need to organize it so that you can make sense of the information to generate insights. So you'll also review techniques for modeling data. You'll start by developing an understanding of basic data modeling concepts. You'll then learn how to use DAX in Power BI to create calculations. Finally, you'll discover how to optimize the performance of a data model in Power BI.
The ability to generate insights from your data is great, but you also need to be able to communicate these insights. That's why you'll also explore the techniques and tools used to create visual presentations of data.
You'll begin by exploring visualization concepts, and you'll also learn how to create reports. Next, you'll learn how to ensure your reports contain navigation and accessibility elements. You'll then explore how to bring data to the user by managing access and creating dashboards. Finally, you'll review methods and techniques for identifying patterns and trends in your data.
Another important skill you'll require is the ability to make use of available Power BI assets. So, you'll also learn how to create, use, monitor, and manage a workspace. And you'll discover how to manage, share, and secure data sets in Power BI.
Not only do you need to be able to visualize your data, but it's also important that you can use it to tell a story or narrative. During this program, you'll explore how to design robust and compelling visualizations to communicate your data with stakeholders.
You'll start by exploring key principles of design and the importance of narrative. You'll then learn techniques for designing report pages with powerful visuals. And you'll review design principles and techniques for dashboards.
You'll complete a final capstone project where you'll put your new skills to use by developing a Power BI dashboard.
In the final course, you'll prepare for the PL 300 exam by undertaking a practice exam.
This exam covers all the main topics of the Microsoft Certified Exam PL 300. So it'll also help you determine if you're ready for the real thing.
Once you complete the program, it's time to start exploring potential careers. And don't forget to share your Coursera professional certificate to get that extra advantage.
Congratulations on your decision to become a data analyst and to help make sense of data for others. Now, let's get started.